In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and set up a Google Merchant Center account. This process is essential for businesses looking to showcase their products across Google's platforms, and setting it up correctly can ensure that your product listings are both accurate and visible to your target audience. To get started, first navigate to the Google Merchant Center website. You can do this by visiting google.com/retail, which will lead you directly to Google's Retail Services portal. Once you're there, you'll notice a prominent button labeled Start Now. Go ahead and click on that to begin the account creation process. Next, you'll need to sign in using your Google account. Whether you're using a standard Gmail address or a Google Workspace account, simply log in with your credentials to proceed to the next step. If you don't already have a Google account, you'll need to create one before you can continue. Now, it's time to enter your business information. Google will prompt you to fill in several fields, starting with your business name. This should be the name of your store, such as Best Pet Toys, to ensure consistency across branding and marketing efforts. You'll also need to specify the country where your business is based and select the appropriate time zone for your location. These details are crucial for localizing your listings and ensuring customers see accurate information. Once you've entered your business details, your account should be created, but there's still more to do to complete the setup. The next step involves verifying and claiming your website. Go to the business information section, then navigate to the details tab and find your online store. Here you'll add your website URL. Verifying your site can be done through various methods suggested by Google. Choose the one that suits you best. Once you're successfully verified, simply click Claim URL to finalize this part of the process. With your website verified, you can now add products via a product feed. Head over to the products section, then click on all products followed by add products. Here, Google offers different means of uploading your product feed through Google Sheets, a scheduled fetch from your website, an upload via CSV or XML file, or through the Content API, which is particularly useful for developers. Lastly, if necessary, set up your tax and shipping settings. Navigate to the shipping and returns section to define the logistics. You can add various shipping services like standard, free, or express options, and it's important to set realistic delivery times and costs to ensure customer satisfaction. And there you have it, my walkthrough on how to create and set up a Google Merchant Center account. By the end of this process, your products will be well positioned to reach a broader audience via Google's network. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll be well on your way to effectively managing your product listings and enhancing your business's online presence.